I'll be showing you anti-stretchmark combo that you will use and you see a visible result in a short time. This combo will take your skin from 0 to 100. It is not a lightning combo. What it targets is your stretch mark. Number one is this qx5 retinol and niacinamide shower gel. This retinol shower gel does wonders if you have stretch mark. All you need to do is just to massage it on that stretch mark area morning and night. Leave it for like 30 minutes and wash off. After shower, use your retinol lotion. This lotion, be using it at night. Massage it on those areas. You can use it all over your body. It's a body lotion. But those stretch mark area or those areas you have cellulite, massage this lotion on that area very well. Okay, the next one that you follow suit is this Taravet anti-stretch mark oil. This Taravet anti-stretch mark oil is amazing. If it's stretch mark caused by pregnancy, or maybe using bad skincare products, or maybe you got fat and you started having stretch mark, this oil got you covered. So you see these three products now. If you have stretch mark, go and get it. I don't like hiding updates. That is one thing about me. I will share the updates once I know that it is working. You see these updates, please key into it. Go and buy those products. Make sure you're buying the original. If you don't know where to get it from our Division Cosmetics. I'll be listing the benefits of this shower gel. This qx5 retinol and niacinamide shower gel, aside anti-aging, it works on redness of the face. Okay, it works on your wrinkles and your fine lines. It works on dark spot, white patches. Some of the amazing ingredients is salicylic acid. It has green tea extract, niacinamide. It also has retinol, marine collagen. Okay, this shower gel, aside stretch mark, helps to firm your skin. So if you have saggy skin, if you have cellulite, try the shower gel. You will thank me later. This Medix, aside your stretch mark, it also evens out your complexion. It treats your skin. If you're looking for a body lotion to unify your complexion, maybe you have uneven skin tone due to using bad skincare products, this lotion is for you. Get this lotion. This lotion, aside retinol, it also has ferulic acid, which helps to promote firmer skin by fighting visibly sun damage. So this is very fine. This is beautiful. Very, very good. It promotes a healthy skin barrier. Okay, this is very good. And this Taravet anti-stretch mark oil. This stretch mark oil also works on other parts of your skin, like if you have cellulite, you can use it. If you have surgical scar, you can use it. Also, if you have wrinkles and all that, just go and get this. It's not only for stretch mark, it does other wonderful things. So this combo for stretch mark is a must-have. Try it and thank me later. Bestie, don't forget to like and share. Also comment on this video. Thank you so much.